As a manufacturer, obviously a lot of things come down to material costs, and it doesn't sound a great deal. In one unit you're saving 100mm wide by 720, but when you times that for the amount of kitchens we do, it's a massive saving. You know, obviously the bigger you are and the more kitchens you do, the more you're going to save on material if you take the space plug on board. When you find something new and you use it, and then you look at how other companies do it using the old procedure, it just seems prehistoric to me. You know, we wouldn't go back. You know, I would not put a void on our kitchens. The space plug is the way to go. It's not a cost thing. You know, you don't look at it and think you need probably a dozen or 20 space plugs to a kitchen. It's sort of pennies really, and it looks neat and it works.